Hi, welcome to my channel, Australian Women's Life and Style. This is Teddy Bear and you'll see him in all of my videos. He is the little star of this channel, aren't you? He's bored. Where it's about all things fashion, beauty, shopping, home and food. Yes, I've changed my name. I feel it's more fitting than All That Glitters Is Mum's Life, as I don't just speak to only mums here on my channel. So this channel is for the everyday Australian woman. Women like me and just like you. So it's a new beginning and a fresh start and I'm really excited for it. I started my channel here in 2020 when lockdown happened. I work in hospitality and I lost my job and we were all in lockdown, so I decided to start my YouTube channel. It has been a dream of mine for about 13 years, so I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. So in that lockdown, I did put on 7 kilos. I ate everything in sight and drank everything in sight and blew up. So then I decided to document my weight loss. So I do have a weight loss series called Losing the Quarantine Kilos. You'll see that on my channel in the playlists. As the time has passed, I've fallen absolutely in love with making content and doing YouTube. So I decided to change my name to make it more relevant to who I am as a person and what my channel is, Australian Women's Life and Style. For beauty, I am actually a professional makeup artist. Prior to having children, I worked in TV, film and photography. Here I am doing Ando's makeup. Here I am. And that's me on set. And this is my little makeup area that I did all the makeup on. I'll show you there. There's on. He actually had his lines on his hands. Chloe Maxwell. The guys there. There's Skunk Hour. Some bands. That's the TV show there that I worked on. There's Anthony Mundine. Just thought I'd show you a little bit of the work that I did. So, there's some guys. And that's the TV show again. That was in the Daily Telegraph. And there's me in the newspaper. I also worked on some L'Oreal hair shows. That there is Ricky Ponting, who is the cricket captain. There I am there. That's Guy Leach, I did makeup on him. This is a movie that I worked on. Just before the Sydney Harbour Tunnel opened up, they did a mock disaster to test safety procedures and they needed makeup artists to do the special effects for it, so they could test all the ambulances. So this is what they did in the tunnel. And all the ambulances and police had to go in. They didn't know they had actors in there playing parts and we did all the special effects for it. So I'll just show you what I did. You can see here, this is the actors there and this is them getting them out safely. and then that's me there doing the special effect makeup. So they all looked very bloodied and bruised and then the paramedics had to come in and fix them up and get them out. So I do want to share all of my skills and I'm also completely obsessed with beauty, skincare and beauty treatments. So I love to share those with you too. I like to keep my fashion cheap and chic, but I have a massive love for luxury accessories and shoes and bags. For home, I do affordable seasonal makeovers and hauls. I love home decor and I love changing things up in my home to make it feel new and fresh. And I love showing you what I do. Now you will see that I am a complete shopping addict and I love doing hauls. I do definitely try to stick to mainstream department stores so all of you in Australia can get access to it, but I do always look out for those hidden treasures in the specialty stores as well, and I love showing you those. As I said earlier, I have lost 7 kilos, and over that time I've fallen in love with a new way of eating. I love cooking, I'm obsessed with it, and also love doing grocery hauls as well and showing you what we eat as a family and trying to keep things on a budget, especially so I can afford those shoes and handbags. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Cook with our family! My spicy pork dumpling ramen soup. It's delicious. Beautiful sang choy bao. I've certainly made it look pretty for you guys. It definitely would not look like this if it was just my family eating it, but I really wanted to take the time and make it look really pretty. This is just too good. Look at that cheese. This will make you really happy. Comfort food at its best and guilt-free. And here she is, my 1-layer Big Mac homemade burger. It's so good, it really tastes delicious. The pickles and the sauce just go so well together to give it that real Big Mac flavor. I think you'll really enjoy these. It's our delicious homemade pumpkin soup with bacon. Tell you what, it is so good. The perfect autumn dinner. And as a family, the one thing that we love to do is go out to restaurants, so I'll definitely be doing some restaurant reviews as well. As you get to know me, you'll see that each week I do a drink of the week. It's actually turned out to be one of my favorite things, and also I know you guys love it as well. It's great to just try new different wines and cocktails, and I have so much fun doing it as well. So please also always remember that I have the bloopers section at the end of every video. They're always pretty hilarious. Everything always goes wrong. I'm the most clumsiest person in the world, and I love to make fun of myself. So please check those out, as they are definitely a channel favorite. So it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't do a cheers. A cheers to the new name, a cheers to a new beginning and a fresh start. And I'm really excited. I hope you join me, as this channel is for you guys, the everyday woman, just like me. Cheers! That's a hairdo. Looks like Tina Turner. Anna. Like 2 gorillas. 2 baby gorillas in the mist. 2 more gorillas.
I'm actually a monkey.
2 baby monkeys.
And she isn't a monkey. I don't know.
What am I?
I'm no good.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care, guys. See you next week. Bye. Bloody Teddy. Welcome to my channel, Australian Women's Life and Style, where it's all about fashion, beauty, shopping.
Every time he's on camera, he's so talkative.
You gotta say hello to everyone too. Already stuffing it up. Hi, so welcome to my channel, Australian Women's. I love making cocktails. Get my words out. I love making. I've fallen absolutely in love and make what am I trying to say? Oh god, I can't even get the flow right. Thank you so much for being my helper too. You've been so wonderful. Both my kids are amazing. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your help.
Oh my god. Join our family, please like and subscribe. Join our waffles.
1, 2, 3. Join our family. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.